पणजेचो महापौर म्हणून चौथी फावट रोहित मोन्सेराताची बिनविरोध निवड जाल्या जाल्यार उपमहापौर पदाचेर संजीव नायक हांची तिसरे खेपेक बिनविरोध निवड जाल्या। बुधवारा सकाळी पणजी महानगरपालिकेंत आयुक्त क्लॅन मोदेराच्या हाजेरींत ही घोशणा जाली।
You know, we want to continue with all the work that we started on initially. Now, for example, also, CCTV building had taken some time, but now you've seen they started the leveling work. That also has not been done for the past 15 years. So we want to resolve the entire Prasad Commerce area, and we want to put up a new corporation building. Now, projects like this will go a long way towards stabilizing the corporation's finances also. Our plan now for the corporations to be totally self-sufficient. You know, we want to eventually want to reach a point where I want to lower taxes for the whole city. But to do that, now I need to take control of all the properties that we have currently also. And all our properties have been in some sort of litigation the other. So now we are making good progress when it comes to settling all of those issues. We are working on the market, third phase of the market, we want to get that resolved. And we want to do a national theatre, we also filed for eviction and they moved to High Court. So we want to resolve all of those issues. In the meantime, we want to start, we actually want to progress on everything also.